Welcome to the Curly Express. Dwight here. What's on the bench Tuesday? But unfortunately, we're off the bench. I have nothing on the bench. Only thing I've been doing is working in the training room, going through all this stuff, all this drawer system. I got empty drawers, but I still have a lot of stuff to go through yet. I'm sure they'll get filled up. I got that bottom drawer down there emptied. It's not empty anymore. It's full of, what is it full of? Boxes. I got it full of boxes. And I'm starting another drawer. I'm just starting to find more boxes. And this one just got, this is actually, this box is old. This is actually my N-scale layout. No transformer for it, but I got that transformer there. And a track clean, wheel cleaning thing I do not like. I found another cam. I don't know if it's any good though. It's old. So I'm working on the top drawer now. And this is it right here. I've already been through it all. I have a, I guess I could probably throw it in here. I have a Trek, is it called CMX? I thought it was something else. I have a CMX Trek cleaning car for sale. I may as well put it in this video. There's some extra gaskets. I hardly ever used it. And the only thing that's wrong with it is nothing but it's just, it kind of got a little discolored. But everything is still good. There's extra gaskets for it in there. But I'm willing to sell it, but I cannot afford to ship it across to Canada or anywhere. There's nothing wrong with it. I hardly ever used it. I got a nice track clean car from Liz, which I really like. So I'm off the bench today. I'm trying to get this all organized and done in here. I'm getting there. So what I did was, separate this stuff. Like this is tree making stuff in this drawer. It's just, static grass stuff in this drawer. So I had only this much left. Actually, there's more than this. There's a big tub underneath the layout that has a bunch of straps in it. This is just like scenery stuff in here. Actually, this is probably static grass. That should go over here with the other static grass. So probably need to go through this stuff and get more static grass. So I just want to get all this done before I can run trains. It is what it is, I just want to get all this separated. So when I want to do my scenery, I'll know what drawer. I should actually label the drawers to say what's in it instead of having to go through everything, So I'm getting there. This takes time. And maybe time spring gets here, I might be ready to run trains again. Who knows? Still got a couple months, actually. Spring, first day of spring is next month. But that doesn't mean nothing in Illinois. So that's about it. Thank you. All questions is fine. I appreciate everybody. I like to hear, read your comments, see what you got to say. Appreciate everybody. Boy, my voice is bad again today. Man, I need to get another dog if I have something to talk to. My voice won't be cracky up. I got a bunch of stuff I still got to go through. I don't know what's in that tub down there yet. I got boxes of garbage. This is garbage. That's garbage. I got a bag down here full of garbage. I'm just getting rid of the stuff that's pointless to have. All right, guys. Ding that bell. Thumbs up. Well, I thank you for a bunch of new subs, and thank you to Twisted MacGyver Frank. Did a shout out for me. I appreciate that too. Thank you guys. Catch y'all later.